Hello, this is Miss Carolyn, your favorite kindergarten teacher. Today I will be telling you about a lesson plan that I've come up with for an English language arts program for kindergartners. Now the lesson that I've come up with is called Change a Letter, Make a New Rhyming Word. Now this lesson will incorporate two of the required standards for language arts for kindergartners. The first one is they are able to add or subtract a sound from a simple one-syllable word and make a whole new word. The other is that they learn the concept and be able to understand and identify rhyming words. I feel this program will be perfect for both of those standards. I will start the class out, or the lesson out, by taking a simple word fragment such as at, A-T, putting it on the board, and then listing it again in the column several times. I will then put the letter C, ask them, well, what word is that? And they hopefully will tell me cat. Then I will ask them to tell me another letter that we can put on the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and so on. And we'll go over that. Then we'll do another one. We'll use the segment an, A-N. Do the same thing. We'll put a C on can, and then go on down the list of them. Once we get done with that, I'll point out, well, now don't those words sound very, very similar to each other? This will help them understand and be able to recognize rhyming words. Then we'll go on to, I'll divide the children into pairs and have them each get on their Chromebook, and we'll go to the Seesaw website. In particular, we will go to the Seuss Rhyming Time exercises or lesson. Now this is a very, very fun exercise. And not only do they learn to create the new words and learn about the rhyming words, but they're learning different technologies too, which will be great. Learn how to take pictures, learn how to use a microphone, that type of thing. The next, and we'll go over the first letter or the first part of the lesson, and I'll see if they understand how to proceed, what to do. If they seem to, I'll go ahead and tell the groups to go ahead and proceed and continue until they have finished the exercise or lesson. At the end of the lesson, I will then ask them, well, what did you think of this exercise, these lessons? Did you learn anything from it? And if so, what did you learn? Would you like to do them again sometime? And if so, well, I might work on them again in the future. The next 2 days, I will go over 2 other lessons or exercises on Seesaw. One is called Rhyme Match, and the other is called Rhyme Sort. These obviously, by their name, will help them learn specifically about rhyming words. At the end of the week, after we've completed these, I'll then give them a quiz that will have word segments listed, and they will be required to put the appropriate letters on to make a new word. And I'll use 2 or 3 different segments. Then underneath that, I will have a list of different words that rhyme, but they won't be together. They'll be different places within the lists of words, and students will have to match up those words, thus learning about rhyming. I think this will be a great way to encourage children, because of how fun these exercises will be, to want to learn more about language. I think they'll want to learn more, and will have fun doing it, which is very important, to be encouraging and to make sure that learning is fun. Thank you very much for your attention.